If you're interested in crypto staking, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to take you by the hand and show you exactly the steps that you need to take in order to enjoy some auto compound staking on the Oak network, which is an automation blockchain and specializing in DeFi and reoccurring payment system. Basically, forget Stripe. Stripe, they're out of here. This is the Web3 variant of Stripe. This process does require a tutorial. However, if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can be earning Turing tokens for free and you can just skip this whole process. But back to business. Oak Network, it's secured by Polkadot, which is the future of the internet. It's Web3 at its core, and they're focused on interoperability, which is why it's called the Internet of Blockchains. Instead of competing with everybody, they're working with everybody. And today, Mangata Finance and Oak Network have come together to give you auto compounding. This is exactly what we need to be onboarding new users into the space, making things easy so that we can stake and chill. Now, you're going to need a Web3 wallet available on iOS and Android. That's a mobile Web3 wallet called Nova Wallet. It has such a cool UI, UX. It's simple to use. It's all laid out. It's really, really simple. But before we get into that, be sure to follow me on social media because I'm into all things crypto, blockchain, and Web3. What is good in the space, what's upcoming, and why, along with the how-tos and the guides, because sometimes we just need someone to show us exactly those steps, breaking down the tech and making it simple. That's exactly what we're doing today. Man, I love this wallet. It is so simple, available for both iOS and Android. So we need to put some KSM onto our Mangata wallet. How are we going to do this? We go down to search. Just type in Mang. There we go. KSM. We need KSM. We want to receive. Copy. We go back. We have some KSM on the Kusama chain, for example, and I want to send. Now we're going to start conservatively. Very important. At the top, you can see send KSM from Kusama chain to, and we go down to Mangata X. Great. We're going to send a conservative amount today, 0.5. Now I'm going to start with like 15 bucks and then continue. Here we go. Boom. Yes, very, very tiny transaction fee. Great. Done. We waited that to go through. So as you can see, the KSM has been withdrawn at 0.5. We go to dApps. We scroll down to Mangata X desktop version. We can do this from the desktop. However, we can do it all through the Nova wallet. So I'm going to connect my wallet. Yeah, here we go. 0.5. Once we've connected our wallet, we're going to come to this page, which is the swap. So the route we're going to take, we want to pay with KSM. Now you see I have 0.5 and we want to go with MGX, and then we're going to go from MGX then to Turing tokens because this is the best route for the price impact and slippage. Okay, and so there we go. I'm going to enter, let's say 0.45, and then this is how much MGX I'm going to get. Actually, we'll do it all. Yeah, all of it. Yay! Trade done. Boom. Yes. We wait a couple of seconds for that, 2, 3, 4 seconds, no problem. Then it's going to give us MGX, and then from MGX, we're going to go to Turing. But this is where a lot of people kind of find that friction point. Success, here we go, cool. Thank you very much, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Now we're going to go from MGX, and we're going to go to Turing. Here we go, because these are the tokens that we need to start swapping. Now you can see I have a maximum of 15,000. I'm going to leave a couple on there just because, just to be, you know, I never, ever, ever do that. So let's say 15,000, there we go. And this is for sure. I'm going to hit trade, confirm, yes, trade pending, cool. Trade success again, great. So what we need to do now, thank you very much, we're all good to go. We need to go up here at the top, very, very important, and we need to click withdraw. Because we are on Mangata, we need to get it over to the Turing network. Now, I need to withdraw. Really important step here, guys. So let's just maximize this. As you can see, it's going from Mangata X, and it says here to an external chain. Well, once we select the token, we're going to select Turing. Okay, it says here to Turing chain. That's really important. We need to have that activated. Now, as you'll see, it's going to this multi-location address. I'm going to enter the max here. We want to send it all. And then we just click withdraw. Confirm. Withdraw success. Thank you very much. It may take up to 2 minutes to update your Turing balance. Done. So, no problem. Cool. Close. Okay, so we close the dApp. We get out of there. We go over to staking. There we go. It's already there. 1,510 Turing. Cool. So let's start staking. 78% yearly. Love it. Start staking. Select a collator. Okay, I'm going to go with, I'm with currently on another one. I'm with Beware Labs. And yeah, I like this guy, but okay, we're going to go for the top one. So we choose a collator, and then we need to stake some amount. Now this is where it gets really cool. If you stake 500 Turing or more, then you are going to be welcome to the Crew 3 Poker Pals. Link in the description box below. Take a look there. We can be joining the Poker Pals on the Crew 3. However, for the purpose of this video, I am going to stake the lot. Okay, I'm going to go with 1,500, leave a little bit always for the gas. Yeah, we have, look, network fee. It's so tiny, it's unbelievable. And then we just click continue. So I'm going to be staking. We confirm. This is the really important part, because once that is staked, then we go take a look at auto compounding, which is what this is all about, really. You know, it's a really cool, unique feature, because so many of us, we just forget to claim those staking rewards. Great, it's all done. I am staking. I can become a Poker Pal on Crew 3 as well. But here's the final thing we need to do. Go to Yield Boost, and we're going to turn this on with yield. So with yield, 81.2%, even cooler. And what we need to enter here, it basically means anything more than 1 Turing, it's going to, okay, it needs to calculate, fine. It's going to automatically restake that with auto compounding every 16 days. Okay, so I put 1, that's an incredibly tiny amount. And then we just click continue, and we agree to it. Yes, this is every 19 days, no problem. Stake and chill, stake and forget. Now, if you have any questions, please be sure to post them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe, because 2023, this is the year of such exciting things, and we're only gonna need more tutorials all the time and how-tos just like today. Thank you, everybody. We'll be seeing you in the next one.